In this video, I'm going to show you how to get your Binance recovery phrase. If you find this video helpful, please consider to like this video and subscribe to my channel. In saying that, let's just jump straight into the video. So before we start, we need to go and realize that the Binance Exchange account's custodial does not have a recoverable seed or recovery phrase you can request, unfortunately. So basically, Binance hold the private key. So if you use a non-custodial wallet, so Binance Wallet app, Trust Wallet, MetaMask, you are given a seed or recovery phrase when you created the wallet. Now that phrase is the only way to restore it. But what we can do is open up your Binance app and then click on the three horizontal bars to get into your account. Then click onto your account and click onto security. Then click into passkeys and then go ahead and click on add a passkey and then choose an authenticator. So choose a passkey. Now this page is going to be blocked out for security reasons. Let me fix that. Now basically just go through the process and just add a passkey to your account.